In this video, we will go over a couple of examples to demonstrate law of sines and law of cosines. So we have this triangle given, and we are told to find A and B. So basically the two sides of this triangle. So law of sine, if we use that, we have sine of 95, which is this angle, equal over the opposite side, equal sine of 35 over the opposite side, and sine of B equal over the opposite side. So we have this expression right here. So we can use this to find sine of A. So we have sine 95 over A equal sine 35 over 7, and this gives us A equal 12.16. Now we can use this two expression to find B. First thing we need to do is we need to find the angle B. We need to find this angle. So what we can do, we know the total sum of angles in a triangle is 180. So to find angle B, we can subtract from 180. 180 minus 35 plus 95, and this gives us 50 degrees for this angle right here. This is 50 degrees. So we can do sine 35 over 7 equal sine 50 over B, and we can find B from here, which gives us 9.35. So that's how we can use law of sines to find angle or side of a triangle. Let's do the next problem. This is based on law of cosines. So we have three circles given, each with the radii being 100 for the smallest circle, 130 for this circle, and 210 for this circle. So we know the radiuses or the radii of each circle, and we are told to find the interior angles of the triangle. So we are told to find this angle, this angle, and this angle. First thing we can do is we can write the sides of each triangle, each side of the triangle, which is A, B, and C. So let's find these three first. A is nothing but the radius of circle C plus radius of circle B. So that's going to be 100 plus 130 equal to 30. Side B is going to be the radius of circle C and circle A. So that's 100 plus 210, which is 310. And side C is the radius of circle A plus radius of circle B, which is 210 plus 130, and that gives us 340. So now we know the sides. Now we know all three sides of this triangle, and we can find the interior angles using law of cosines. So the law of cosines, if we use to find angle A, this is going to look like a squared equal b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cosine of A. So this is saying for angle A, which is this angle, and A squared is this, and B squared is the other two sides. So we can do A squared, which is 230 squared, equal 310 squared plus 340 squared minus 2 times 310 times 340 times cosine of angle A. If we solve this, we get, for angle A, we get 41.1 degrees. Now let's do it for angle B. We have B squared equal A squared plus C squared minus 2AC cosine of angle B. So we can write 310 squared plus 230 squared plus 340 squared minus 2 times 230 times 340 cosine of angle B. And if we solve this, we can find angle B is 62.4 degrees. So we have angle A and angle B, and we can find angle C if we just subtract from 180 degrees, because the sum of all angles in a triangle is 180. So we can do 41.1 plus 62.4. And this gives us angle C as 76.5 degrees. So that's how you use law of cosine and law of sines.